Kidney Warrior Foundation, Professor Dr. D.S. Rana, Chairman Board of Trustees at Sir Gangaram Hospital, Dr. Urmila Anand, Amrita Hospital, Vice Chairman Scientific Committee, and Dr. Shyam Bansal from the Indian Society of Nephrology and the Secretary of Nephrology from Medanta Hospital. I don't know if I'm getting the names right, but all the distinguished members of the medical fraternity who are here today, and all our representatives, members, office bearers of the Kidney Warriors Foundation, industry leaders, all the other eminent guests, and every single person who's part of this foundation. It is a great honor for me to be here today at the Kidney Warrior Foundation Conclave 2026, especially as we commemorate 50 years of nephrology, 50 years of kidney care in India. Nephrology over the past 50 years in India has evolved from being a very specialized, urban-centric, very niche and very limited discipline into a major healthcare priority today. And we realize that the chronic kidney diseases are becoming like a silent pandemic. And India has identified CKD as one of the 9th biggest cause of mortalities. So kidney health is a very serious issue which demands attention and which deserves to be a health priority. In our country, we're also witnessing a sharp rise in diabetes and hypertension. And these are the two major risk factors for kidney diseases. There was a time when these conditions, diabetes and hypertension, they were considered to be the ailments of a limited group of people, but today the situation has completely changed. I work very closely with the community, so I see that almost every family has somebody who's suffering from either diabetes or hypertension. So today it is affecting millions of lives. And as we see more and more of diabetes and hypertension, it somewhere signals that the risk for CKDs is also going up. And the way our food habits are changing today, there is increased intake of salt, sugar, fat, processed foods. We're not eating what's locally or seasonally available. There is a change in our dietary patterns altogether, and also our lifestyles have changed. So it's more of sedentary. People are becoming obese. So these lifestyle diseases are increasing, obesity to diabetes, hypertension, and all that further worsens our kidney health. And environment and climate related factors also in a way contribute a lot to this burden